and you really feel like you're in another part of the city. It's actually more the feeling like you're in Tokyo or Seoul. Good evening. I'm here at the Paragon Square, and today I want to give you an update regarding the Siam Square Walking Street. But I will start here on this square between the Siam Paragon and the Siam Center. This is next to the Siam BTS Station. It's Sunday evening. It's 6:15. And this is actually the perfect time to come and discover this area. So the Siam Square 1 is on the other side of the station. So let's go and walk there. The walking street opens every day in the afternoon. So in the afternoon, cars are not allowed anymore to drive there. And it used to be only in the weekend, but since the beginning of February, it's open every day as a walking street. This is actually one of those destinations that I haven't seen too many people mention it, but it's a very popular destination, especially in the weekend. I will show you. It's super easy to get there from here. So you just cross through the station here. I just realized I've been filming here for over 2.5 years, and there's always been AIS. There has always been an AIS commercial on this spot here. So I guess they signed a very long commercial lease. So there's a street market here that I will show you in this video as well. But let's first get there, and to get there we can go through the Siam Square 1 mall here. This is actually a very nice mall anyway to go and visit. By the way, for the fans, there is a Liverpool FC shop in here. And Liverpool has 3 Dutch players now, so obviously I'm a bit interested in them. This is all open air here, so you can just walk through. There's no air conditioning in here, but it's fresh because the air is just drawing through it. And then down there you'll see there is it's actually called Siam Square Soi 7. And I like to call it the walking street. And you really feel like you're in another part of the city. It's actually more the feeling like you're in Tokyo or Seoul. So this is all part of the Chulalongkorn University area. The university buildings are over there and in the back, over here. And the students are allowed to play their music here. Yeah, this is definitely one of the coolest areas in Bangkok. how it works, if the students can just come here or if they need to make an appointment to get a spot to make music. It took some time, but most shops are open now here. So this building here is called the Siam Scape, and the Siam Scape has a very nice garden, so let's go and have a look there as well. To get to the garden, you can just take the elevator here. This is on the 9th floor, and here on the 9th floor you have a nice view in the indoor location. But if you go to the 10th floor, you go to the sky garden. So this is the sky garden here on the 10th floor. A nice view of the skyline here. The Siam Scape opened last year, and this is also part of the Chulalongkorn University. So let me show you the rest of the walking street, and then I will show you also the street market that is over there. And it's actually one of the nicest street markets in town, and for some reason it doesn't really get a lot of attention. So let's go to the market, the street food market. this is the market, and this market every time has a different theme, but basically it's always here, and especially in the weekends. And it's part clothing, it's part food. Yeah, I would definitely say if you are in Bangkok, just go to Siam. You can take the BTS to the Siam BTS Station, and then you can just check out this market. You obviously can check out the big shopping malls as well. And on Friday, Saturday and Sunday they close down all the streets, so there is no traffic, and you get this, yeah, let's say open street market where they have live music, and it just has a very nice atmosphere. So in this part of the market you have a bit of food. So they call it this time the vertical garden market. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Siam Square One Walking Street. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.